Hey guys, it's Jack Daisy, and today we are playing Ninja Legends, and I'm gonna be telling you how to get a VIP server easily. So all you need to do is type in this link. Hips, the two dot things I can't pronounce it. / www.roblox.com/games/ these are the codes 39568188381 /countdown Ninja Legends ? Private capital S server capital L link capital C code equals 4QRNGVGMTR8X VBF8 HKS6 QOI7 Y62D QR. Then what you want to do is click onto this link. It should show up with this link. When you click onto it, it should. There you go. And then if you go into open Roblox, this should work, guys. This is all you need to do. All you need to do. The screen's still there and everything. The code, whatever it is, the things, whatever. So I'm gonna join on, and let's see if it's an actual VIP server. Look, VIP server. No one else. Okay, that's all. Bye, guys.